Mabuhay! I am Maestra Jess Bautista and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and share. Today, we are going to discuss about factoring quadratic trinomials. So when we say quadratic, it is a polynomial that looks like ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are just numbers and a is not equal to 0. So quadratics are degree 2 polynomials. When you are learning how to multiply polynomials together, they probably started you out by multiplying two binomials together, and you probably refer to this process as FOIL, or first term, outer term, inner term, or last term. I hope you can still remember your grade 7 mathematics wherein you are multiplying binomials. Okay, let's proceed now to the examples. Let us factor the trinomials. Okay, number 1. Let us factor x squared plus 5x plus 6. So as you can observe, it has 3 terms. That's why it is called as trinomial. So to factor this one, first, we have to factor the first term. And the first term is x squared. So the factor is x times x. Then, let us factor the last term. So the last term is 6 and the factor is 2 times 3. Then after that, you multiply x and 2. So the result is 2x. Also, you multiply x and 3. So the result is 3x. Then, we have to add these two so that we can get 5x, because as you can see, the middle term in our trinomial is 5x. So it simply means that our factors are correct. So simply, the factor of number 1 is x plus 2 and x plus 3. So observe that we use the positive signs because our trinomial are all positive. So this is now our final answer. Hope you can follow number 1. Let us now proceed to number 2. Let us factor c squared minus 8c plus 15. So observe that we have a negative sign in our trinomial. Okay, so solution, factor the first term. So c times c. Then factor the last term. The last term is 15. The factors are 3 times 5. Again, let us multiply c and 3. So the answer is 3c. Multiply 3 times 5, c times 5. So the answer is 5c. Then we're going to add 3c plus 5c. So the result is 8c. So look at the middle term in our trinomial. So it is negative. So we're going to use negative sign in our factors. So the factors of number 2 are c minus 5 and c minus 3. So that is now our answer in number 2. I hope you can still follow. Okay, let's proceed to number 3. So let us factor 3x squared minus 7x minus 6. So observe, all the signs are negative. So take note of the signs. So solution, factor 3x squared, the factors are x times 3x. And 6, the factor is 2 times 3. Then multiply x and 2, it will become 2x. Multiply 3x and 3, the answer is 9x. Okay, observe the middle term. So we cannot add because the middle term is 7x. So what are we gonna do now? So we have to subtract so that it will become 7x. So since our signs are negative, so we will use both negative and positive, just like this. So the factors are x minus 3 because 9 is greater than 2. If you're going to subtract negative 9 plus 2, the result is negative 7. So that's why 3 is negative. Then the other factor is positive, 3x plus 2. So that is our final answer now. You can pause the video so that you can analyze why the signs are like that. So for the practice exercises, you can pause the video to answer 1 to 10. Okay, so I hope you can learn something from me. And that's all. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Salamat!